Do you find this clouds beautiful in fall? Unfortunately, this color is due to closeness to the site enraged with fire. Do not panic, we have team working on the site.
Contact the customer twice within 10 minutes. We show up within 45 minutes on site. The modus operandi of the company says that the vehicles, the trucks, are going around, going home, so they're 24/7 with the employees that can actually operate. So if it's here in Laval, someone has a flood, we'll be at 9 o'clock at night, we're going to be on site within 15 minutes. That in itself is phenomenal service to a customer, and we can save a lot of damage by doing that. When we're there, we report back to you. We say, okay, we understand the situation is as following. It's a big loss. There's a lot of contents damaged. We identified the source, and that's the key. We saw it came from a pipe. The pipe exploded. Pipe, we know, explosion covered by insurance. Seepage, we know, not covered by insurance. So we'll talk about that in a second. We see the pipe is burst, we go back to you, and we can evaluate after 10-15 minutes. We can say, we know what it started, we know how big the claim is going to be. And then and together with you with the information, and we don't disclose it to anybody.
Canada's restoration services, it's not just what we do, it's how we do it.